Hi, welcome to CTI 110. I'm going to go over our Moodle with you very quickly. Make sure that you click here to read course announcements. Any information that I need to get out to you, I'll put it here. And sometimes I'll send it through Remind also. Check here for your course syllabus. Make sure you read that. Make sure you read the course syllabus addendum that has the new policy, due date policy, late work. So make sure you read that. This is the instructor welcome, instructor video, course introduction, and course introduction video, which is what I'm doing now. Your RAND's online tour. If you have any questions, you can post them to this forum at any time. Make sure you sign up for Remind. You can email me your questions. You can leave questions here on the Moodle. But if you need a quick response, the best way to do it is through Remind. If you sign up, the little widget's already here. Here it is right there. Little widget. Join that, and any message you send goes straight to my phone, and I will answer that much quicker than I will here, because usually I check this at night, and then maybe I check my email maybe once or twice a day. So Remind's going to be your quickest way to get up with me. This is your enrollment module. You have to take the enrollment key quiz before you can do any of the work. Make sure you do this before September 7th. But the longer you wait, the further behind you'll get. So I would advise that you go ahead and do that as quickly as possible. Our first 3 modules are going to be Access. You'll need a book for that. These are the materials, but your instructions, you'll need the book for to be able to get your instructions. Once you finish the 3 Access modules, then there is a cumulative project. Notice it's not due till the 12th month and the 11th day, but it's here because if you want to go ahead and do your project while it's still fresh in your mind, you can do it, or you can wait and do it when you're finished with the whole course. That's totally up to you, but all of the modules are set up this way. So once we finish Access, we'll do Web Design. Web Design does not have a book. You have, for each one, you'll have the resources that you need to do the project. You'll need to download Notepad, and you've got your websites and your discussion. So we have 4 modules for web design, and then the project, which again is due on the 11th of December, but you have the you can do it now if you'd like. And then our last 3 modules will be on computer programming. Everything is there for you already set up. One quick thing as a reminder, you notice their due dates. This is the way I take attendance. If you have something due 9/23, when I go to check and grade, if there's no work there, then that's an absence for that week. So just a reminder is that's how I take attendance from online. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. And good luck.